and then me and Big Zulu connected, and then Big Zulu came through, and we did one song first, and then after he did that verse, I was like, yeah, I got this song with TOSS. He's got a nice chorus over there. I played it for him. He said, yo, I love it, and he laced the verse. And then me and Trill are always together, so I told Trill, I was like, there's this song with TOSS and Big Zulu, boy, we gotta do it. And then he did it, and then before the album dropped, Zulu hit me up and he said, yo, I need that song. It took a while. There was a point he gave up on me. He's like, I'm fit,
I win because I
The album was already submitted, and then I made sure I get it to him, and we managed to get it on the album. You know, the rest is history.
Shout out to Zulu.
That's one.
Yeah, that's the guy who's produced for Maclera, for Pretty Ugly, for almost everyone in the industry. Give it up to Zoocci Coke Dope.